What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today I am going to make you corned beef or macaroni in the kitchen, fast, easy, and simple. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss an upload. And for all of my returning goodie, on the know 7-Eleven, right? Let's cook.
Want to be independent, yet she can't read and write a sentence.
Okay, goodie, you ready for cook? Then let's cook. Make we turn up this corned beef in the kitchen fast, easy and simple. Make we talk about the ingredients. Now you're going to need 1 can of corned beef here. And in Jamaica, we call it bully beef. So if you want to call it bully beef or corned beef, your choice, but you're going to need 1 can. To that, you're going to need some fresh garlic, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, right? A little bit of paprika. I'm going to use some meat seasoning to help me to give it some flavor. Now you can always substitute that for anything where you like, right? All-purpose seasoning, any kind of seasoning where you want to use, just go ahead and use it. But make a dash little bit of that in it. Now you know how me feel about my CUMBO seasoning, and you can also substitute that. Black pepper for sure. You're going to need a hot scotch bonnet pepper, right? Tomato, bell pepper, and I did use a lot of onion. I love onion in this recipe. However, you know, say a girl can't eat it yet, but yeah, vegan, vegan. Anyway, I did cook about a cup and a half of elbow macaroni, right? You want to cook it up for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you go ahead and you take the water off and you let it sit and chill and wait until you are ready for that. But do not overcook your macaroni. Now, you did request that you wanted me to show you how to cook instant white rice. So, I figure why not just take 1 stone and kill 2 birds, right? Alright, now, I'm using the 5-minute rice here. Now, how I do mine is a little bit tricky, but if you want to go ahead and follow the directions on the back of your box, you could go ahead and do that. And I did purchase this one in Aldi supermarket, and you can buy it in a Walmart too. Now, it's not very hard to cook it, right? I even use it sometimes to make rice and peas, right? But I'm going to show you how to do it. But until we get to that, let's move on and cook up the corned beef and macaroni. Now in a frying pan, you want to go ahead and add some oil to it, about 3 tablespoons or 4, but not too much, right? Alright, now to the oil, you want to go ahead and add in some fresh garlic. Make sure you do that. Give it a nice little spin in that oil for probably about a good 50 seconds. That's all you need to do right here. Now after that, I did go in and add the hot scotch bonnet pepper, but what I did, I gave it a slice, right? Like so. Didn't take the seeds out though. With the slice, I turned it down in the garlic and oil combination and let it release the flavor from the pepper, right? If me did not eat this thing good, you know, me never gonna do it this way because me no like pepper. Me afraid of pepper. Now, after I did that, went ahead and add in the bell pepper, onion, and tomato to the mix right here. Right? You can add more bell pepper if you want to. Yeah, yellow one, red, and all them things, but I only wanted green today. So go ahead and give that a nice little mix in. Combine that thing nicely together with your garlic. And your fire here is on a medium heat. You don't want it to cook too fast, right? Now, good, if you're still here watching me cooking, make sure that you subscribe to my second channel, Life as Juliana. The link for that channel will be listed down below. Now, season up the thing now, good. Add some black pepper, and I did add my CUMBO seasoning, and use whatever kind of season you want to add. I did add some of that meat stew beef seasoning and all them thing there, garlic powder and onion powder. But always remember, when you're in your kitchen cooking, your kitchen is yours, so you use whatever flavor that you choose to use. Are you the boss in your kitchen? Like me the boss in mine, right? Now I did add some paprika though for extra added color. Gave it a good mix, and I'm going to cover this bad boy up and make it steam for about 5 minutes on that medium heat, because I want the veggies to kind of simmer down a little bit, cook up a little bit. So just give it a nice like a 5 minutes. That's all I need to do here. After 5 minutes, you come back, the thing nice and simmer, and it's going to be perfect, and it's going to be looking pretty much like this, like that, right? Just like that. Take a look. And this is where you are going to give it another little spin just to make sure everything all right. Now you want to go ahead and open up your corned beef. Now I know everybody know open them corned beef, right? But me still not gonna miss the process because somebody asked me, say, "Oh, to cook, oh, you never did open up the corned beef, some corned beef and make me see it." So I'm not gonna skip this step. They're gonna go ahead and open up the corned beef and make a seed, right? Straight. So now you want to go ahead and get that little, we call it key, and just put it on the thing, and you want to go ahead and just turn it slowly, because if you turn it too fast, it'll go pop and you got a problem. So that is how you open your corned beef, and it's going to be perfect in the can. Now you go ahead and take your corned beef out with your fire still at a medium heat. Now you choose how you want to cut up your corned beef. When I'm cooking corned beef, or let's say when I'm making corned beef, I never really mash it up. I like it when it has chunks in it, okay? So do it how you like it. I like mine's chunky, so not come to me about the chunk up business. Do it how you like it, goodie, alright? Now, after you done do that, you decide how you want it to be chunky or not chunky. Go ahead and add in your macaroni right there. So now you know how me feel. I love my ketchup. Miss one Jamaican, I love ketchup. So I put about 3 tablespoons of ketchup to it and gave it a nice little combination mix. You might not like ketchup. It is optional for you, but it's a must for me when I cook corned beef or macaroni. With my fire still at a medium heat, I'm going to go ahead and cover it up, right? And I'm going to allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes at the most, because remember your macaroni already cooking up and your corned beef already cooking in the can, so you don't want to cook out the thing to nothing, make it invisible. Cover it up and just let it cook on medium heat for about that 10 minutes. Now let me show you how to do the rice. Now I'm using 2 cups of white rice. If you don't know how to do it, just make sure you measure up the thing, right, goodie? 2 cups of the white rice, the instant rice. Now you want to add 2 cups of water to it. So if you cook 2 cups, you add 2 cups of water. If you cook 3 cups, you add 3 cups of water, and vice versa. Now give it a nice little mix, right? Like so. Now you could put salt in it if you like. Me not gonna put no salt in this because you know, say a girl I run from the high blood pressure business. But I did add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Put it inside of my microwave like that. Yes, good. Put it inside of a microwave like so, and now we are going to set it, right? So I set mine to 12 minutes because we're cooking 2 cups, right? 2 cups. If I put it 5 minutes, it's not going to be cooked. I double the time. After 12 minutes, that is what you will have right here. Perfectly cooked rice. The box said 5 minutes, but if you put it 5 minutes, it now come out right. So be sure to give it 12 minutes like I do. Perfection when you do 12 minutes, alright? So remember, 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water. Salt is optional. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Pop it in your microwave. 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, that you are going to have perfect rice with just about anything in your kitchen, fast, easy, and wow. Simple. Alright? Alright, now we are moving right along, and 10 minutes in, our corned beef, our bully beef, and macaroni is all done, boo. It is all done. And again, do not overcook your food right here. So because they're gonna come out flan, and you don't want to eat flan, macaroni and corned beef, pan white rice. No, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that, goodie. So be sure that you shut the heat off. All right. After 10 minutes, you're done. The thing done. Okay, that's what it looks like on a plate. Perfect, with some plantain and tomatoes and cucumber and some avocado. All done with the pepper prims up on top. So be sure you sharing the love with your friends and family. Tell them what I'm going over here, bring them, come and send them, come and waiting. After you get them do that, tell me what you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!
Rich Yankee, she couldn't do the reggae skanky. Her papa was a police top ranking.